Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today ay day off ko na naman. So, pagplanuhan namin, actually, idea to ni Daddy, na pupunta kami mag-picnic. Okay na yung weather, still spring, pero mainit-init na rin siya. Right now, it's 17 degrees. Medyo nung una, nagdalawang isip pa ako kung okay na ba mag-picnic sa ganitong weather. But kasi kahit maaraw siya, malamig na malamig pa rin ang hangin. Gusto rin naming sulitin yung mga sunny days like this. Kasi once na umulan, back to zero na naman. Anyway, samahan nyo kami. See ya! Daddy is always our driver. Thank you, Daddy. And our little one is here. Say hi, Balong. Hi. Muna siya sa likod. Here na sa park, ang daming tao. I wasn't expecting this. Yan, nakahanap na kami ng parking. Umiyak na sa likod. Bored na siya. Tsaka lunchtime na rin, so... Okay, let's go! Pang-swimming si Jeremy. Ha? Jeremy, it's cold. You wanna try the waters? Here, oh. Okay. Cold water, ha? Cold by water. Oops. It's not bad. Come on, eat tayo lunch. Come on, come on. Eat muna tayo lunch. Eat tayo lunch. Yung lunch, Daddy. Nugget, say hi! Say hi! That's our view. We're at Sasamat Lake. Hi! Mga pinipare ni Daddy. Grabe, ganyan nakalaki si Jeremy. Parang kailan lang he was learning how to walk here and now he's more independent now. If you can see yung bato doon, dyan kami nag-maternity shoot ni Gerald nung buntis pa kami kay Jeremy. Hi! Say hi, Balong! Jeremy! Jeremy toys! Your shower baon. Spam and lumpia. Jeremy, look, oh. Look, Jeremy, look, look, look. Baby kiss, oh. Kain ka lumpia. Galing kumain ng lumpia, oh. Ay, naghahanap ng lumpia. Ganda ng ano, kuha dad. Blue na blue. Ito. You like the ice cream?
Ito pala.
Can you share your ice cream, please? Can you share it with mommy and daddy? Yummy. Say hi. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Okay, uwi na kami. Pagod na si Jeremy, but he had so much fun in the water and mag-play ng sand. We had so much fun kahit nakatambay lang kami. Sarap mag-relax pag ganito. Nakatingin lang sa water, sa lake, and ayan ang view. Ganda. Say bye-bye! Ano si Balong? Grabe, sobrang init na. Mali yung inakala ko. Akala ko malamig kasi nga yung hangin malamig pa. Pero it feels like summer na pag ganitong maaraw. Ayun, dati yung sasabi kong bridge. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!